So now I'm going to give you a small room tour of our room, that is 708 in Hyatt Regency, and let's see the room. And here is our room. You won't believe that what we get. Let's close the door. First I'll show you it's a living room. There's a shoe rack for us. It's a dining table along with a sitting place. You can say it's a living room for us with a huge TV. Now this is the room corridor where we have got 2 bedrooms. See, some special features are also there, as washing machine. Now the first room. This is our first room, which is for Akshit.
Hi. Hello guys.
See, the room is sea facing. Wow, lovely view. This room, see, now this is Akshit's room, which also had a small television. Now our master bedroom. This is our master bedroom, again with a small television. It's our wardrobe and small study, again with a lovely sea facing. This is the swimming pool, which is located on the 2nd floor, and on the top 30th floor again we had one more swimming pool. So 2 swimming pools are there. This is Hyatt Regency. Now very special one thing which I am experiencing first time, that this is our washroom. Nice, no? It's our washroom with all the facilities over here. Now the special feature, that is a kitchen. It's a kitchen along with a big refrigerator, 2-door refrigerator, and microwave. Then this along with a grill. This is the hot plate, and dishwash bar is also given here. This one, and see all the cutleries, wine glass, phone, this all utensils for cooking. You can cook also for us. See, and of course the things which are required for cooking, with all the utensils. So this is our small tour, or not so small, a big tour room. Say bye bye. Akshit, say bye. Hello, say bye.
Bye bye. Bye bye.
Bye bye.